Hello students, this is class 4th A. Class 4th A, subject GSC and date is 2 to 21. 2 to 100. Now we are studying lesson 4, adaptation in animals. Lesson 4, adaptation in animals. Adaptation in animals. Now see page number 20. Page number 20. In this lesson we have studied about the adaptation to environment and adaptation for food and adaptation for protection, adaptation in behavior. Today we are going to study about endangered animals. Endangered animals. Endangered animals. So, due to human activity, other reasons may also be there, but main reason is human. Due to human activity or the over exploitation, some animals are on the verge of extinction. Such animals are called the endangered animals. Although animals adapt themselves to survive in their habitats, still the lives of several animals are under continuous threat due to the activities of man. Deforestation for more and more land destroys habitats of many animals. Hence, they are becoming extinct. Some animals, such as dodo, that was a bird, dodo, a bird, and the passenger pigeon have already become extinct. Some animals like the game panda, aye, snow leopard, and tiger are on the verge of extinction and are called endangered animals. If these endangered animals are not protected, they will be extinct. So government is trying to protect these endangered species, endangered animals in zoological parks, in gardens, and biosphere reserves, zoo. These are the areas where plants, where endangered plants as well as animals are protected. Now, at the end of this lesson, what have you learned? Adaptation is a way that adaptation is a way that helps an animal to survive or live in its environment. According to their habitats, animals can be grouped as terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, and aerial animals. Polar animals have thick fur which helps them stay warm in severe cold. As per food habits, animals are either herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, or parasites. Many animals show adaptations for protection against enemies. Migration is the mass movement of animals to a place that offers better living conditions. A sleep-like state of some animals in winter is called hibernation. Next, a sleep-like state of some animals in summer is called estivation. Despite a lot of adaptations, several animals are in danger because of human activities. Now, more to know. Now, next one, more to know. More to know. More to know. The crocodile is able to stay underwater without breathing for about an hour. This is because they stay motionless. Seals, sea lions, and walruses are able to shut their nostrils when in water. And next, the soles of polar bears are also covered with fur to keep their feet warm and to provide good grip when walking on ice. Now, word power. One is parasites. An organism that lives in or on another organism is called parasite. Next, mound, wound by scratching and tearing. The next, deforestation, removal of forests or trees. The next, endangered, animals that are on the verge of extinction are called endangered animals. Thank you. That's for today.